Hello, my lovely kids. Hope you are all are fine and enjoying your winter season, enjoying your studies. So, you have learned a lot. So, today I decided that we will not learn anything. Rather than we will practice a most interesting thing. And what is it? Can you guess it? So, the most important thing is reading practice. Yes, this is a very important thing in our education system. So, we have to practice our reading as well as we have to practice it very speedily. That means we need to improve our speed in reading practice. So, here I have some reading. You will read it after me, you will practice it, and then you will do it at your home and maintain the time. Okay, and see how much time you need to read that. So, my little children, come and see our reading parts of today and let's improve our reading. Come with me. Now, see this. This is a piece of reading that I will read and you will repeat after me. Now, let's start. See, THIS, this. IS, is. AN, and APPLE, apple. So, the sentence is this is an apple. এটা হয় একটি apple. Next, the the apple, apple. Is red, red. So the next sentence is the apple is red. So, the color of the apple is red. What is the color of the apple? This is red. Now, third sentence. LOOK. Look. At. The. Red. Apple. So, the sentence is look at the red apple. মানে red অ্যাপেলটি দেখো। Next, fourth sentence, the red, apple, is big. So the sentence is the red apple is big. It means লাল আপেলটি হলো বড়. So this is your reading part. Now what you have to do? Have to practice it in a fast manner. See, I am giving you an example. This is an apple. The apple is red. Look at the red apple. The red apple is big. See how hurriedly I am telling it without breaking the syllable, without breaking the spellings. So, this part you have to tell like that. Okay, so practice it and practice like this manner that I showed you in this video in a fast manner. Okay, children? Okay, so your next part of reading is coming forward. Come, let's see our next part. Here is our next part of reading, and this is also very easy. Come, let's practice. First, THIS, this, is, AN, ANT, ant. Ant means pipre. So this is an ant. এটা হয় একটি পিঁপড়ে. Second, the, ant, is red. The ant is red. That means পিঁপড়েটি হয় লাল. Then what is the color of the ant? It is red. Third, LOOK, look, at, the, red, ant, ant. Look at the red ant. It means লাল পিঁপড়েটির দিকে দেখো. Look means দেখা. And the fourth one is the, the, red, red, ant, ant is big. That means লাল পিঁপড়েটি হয় বড়. So this is your slow reading process. In this process, you will break the syllable, you will break the spelling, and then you will read. But after practicing, how you will read, that I will show you. Again, I will show you. Okay, see, this is an ant. The ant is red. Look at the red ant. The red ant is big. So in this manner you will practice that you can read in this manner without breaking the spelling, without breaking the syllable. So this was your second part. Now move forward to your third part of reading, and it will be very easy again. Come. Now this is your third part of reading. This is also very easy. Come, let's read it first slowly. THIS this, IS is, AN AXE axe. So this is an axe. Axe means kodal, kurul, whatever you can say. So the meaning is eta holo ekti axe. Next, the the AXE axe, IS is RED red. That means the axe is red. Kurulti hoy lal. Next, LOOK look, AT at, THE the, RED red, AXE axe. Look at the red axe. That means lal kurulti dekho. And the third one is THE the, RED red, AXE axe, IS is BIG big. The red axe is big. That means lal kurulti hoy bodo. So this was your slow reading. Now I am approaching to fast reading. Listen to it. This is an axe. The axe is red. Look at the red axe. The red axe is big. Understood it? Yes, this is your part to do it and to practice it. So I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned a lot in this video, and I hope that you will practice it furthermore. So till then, I will take your leave. Take care, tata, goodbye, and have a good day ahead.